Today I'll be showing you how to turn a photo from winter cold to summer mystical, all in Photoshop.
This is AndregDesigns.
Hello guys, my name is Andre and this is AndregDesigns, and today I'll be showing you how to use the curves adjustment tool and some lens flares to make a photo transform from middle of winter to middle of summer and mystical. So let's get into that. So in this tutorial I was actually going to be using Camera Raw to do the color correcting, but then Camera Raw shut down and wouldn't color correct, and QuickTime stopped recording at the same time. So I went ahead and I found a way to do it with the curves adjustment. So for this particular photo, it really shows what I mean by every photo is going to be different, and it's just different to what your needs are and what the photo's needs are. So although this photo I took of Tessa is really good as is, you can make colors really pop out of photos, and this is just one way to do it. So I brought up some of the highlights, and the reason for that is back here was a little dark and up here was a little dark for what I was going for. I'm going for kind of overexposed photo with kind of an orangey yellow shine to it. So I want to add in some reds, and they're going to be mainly mid-tones, high reds. So if we go to green, I actually want to take out some green, and then when we go to the blue, this one's going to be a lot like when I showed you guys in the other videos the use of the curves adjustment, except there's going to be one change to it. Here I'm going to want to take out some of the deeper blues, and the reason for this is because taking out green and adding in red is going to give you a magenta color, and so by taking out the darker blues you get rid of that and you get this orange color instead. Alright, that looks great, and if you think it's a little bit overpowering, then you can always turn down the opacity, but I like it as it is. So I'm going to go down to the background layer, or whatever layer is original for you is what you would go to, and I'm press Command J, and if you're on a Windows you can press Control J, and the reason for this is we're going to be adding in lens flares now. Alright, so if we convert to smart filters so that we can adjust the lens flares afterwards, it would be a really smart idea. If not, no big deal. Alright, so now that it's converted to smart object, we're going to go render. That are going to be put together to make one lens flare. So the first lens flare I want to put is a 105mm prime. Now this has to do with the size of the lens. So with different lenses you're going to get different lens flares. So this is referring to a 105mm lens. And I'm going to press OK. It'll load the lens flare. Then from there, I already know that I put it up way too much, and I'll show you guys what to do with that. But first we're going to go back to the background layer, press Command J again, and for smart filters, press OK. Now if you've never, alright, so for the second one, I'm going to darken it down a little bit, and I'm going to pick the 35mm lens, and press OK. And then one last this time I'm gonna pick movie time, and I'm just gonna darken that down quite a bit. Alright, so now I want to reorganize these. I actually want the second lens flare at the top, and then throughout all of these I'm going to be lowering the opacity on them so that you can see all the lens flares, and also so that they're not so overpowering. And with each one you can make its own adjustment to what you want it to be. So the reason this works and it's not affecting the rest of the photo is because all the photos are exactly the same except for the lens flares. So only the lens flares are being affected by this opacity. Alright, so now we have the completed image, and you can just see the difference by pressing Alt or Option depending on whether you're on Mac or PC, and clicking the eye flicker. It's a big difference, and you can make it very subtle and very effective, or you can make it not so subtle but still very effective, and it's going to transform your picture and make the colors just pop that much more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.